Good morning to all my students. Take out your new Radiant Readers Classic book. Today I will start the new chapter, and the name of the chapter is The Coming Storm. Okay. Storm is a violent disturbance, of the atmosphere with strong winds which is coming with rain, thunder, lightning or snow. Okay, that is called storm. The tree tops rustle, the tree top waves, they hustle, they rustle, and down in a cave the winds are murmuring, ready to rave. So there the tree tops means the uppermost part of a tree is rustle. Rustle means they are making a soft sound. Okay. The tree tops wave. Wave is a sudden occurrence, of phenomenon. They hustle, they rustle down in a cave. Means they are hustling and they are rustling. Hustle means they are pushing roughly, and they rustle also means they are making the sound also, soft sound. And down in a cave. In a cave they are making this. This cave is an underground chamber which is in a hill. The winds are murmuring, ready to rave. So winds are murmuring means it is a producing a low, distinct, continuous sound. Okay, the wind are making, and it is ready to rave, and it is also speaking foolishly. The skies are dimming, the birds fly low. The skies are dimming means the sky is becoming less bright, and the birds are flying very low means at a low height they are flying, skimming, swimming, their wings are slow means they are skimming also, means the removal of substance from the surface of the liquid. Okay, that is called skimming. They are swimming also, and their wings are very slow. It is at a slow speed they are swimming. They are swimming also, and their wings are very slow means at the slow speed they are flying in the sky. They float, they carrot, they scarcely go. So the winds is making them float, and their winds is carrying them, and they are scared, they scarcely go means they are very afraid. The dead leaves hurry. The dead leaves is in very hurry, the leaves which are dead. The water too, the water is also very hurry. Hurry and scurry. Scurry means they are also in rush, as if they knew. So as if they are knowing that the storm has came here. A storm was at hand, and the smoke is blue. So in their hand the storm was there, and the smoke was blue. And their smoke was blue in color. The chapter completed. Today I will start this chapter also. The story of Arjuna 1. Long ago there lived in India a little prince called Arjuna. When his father died, he and his brother went to live with their grandfather Bhishma and their cousins. Bhishma was a very good and wise man, and was very kind to the children. So long ago there in India there was a prince, little prince, and the name of the prince was Arjuna. When his father got died, he and his brother went to live with their grandfather, and his name was Bhishma. And their cousin also was living with them. So Bhishma was a very good and a wise man. So Bhishma was a good and wise man, and he was very kind to the children, and he was very kind in nature to the children. Sometimes the boys were very naughty and troublesome, and could not be easily controlled. So the grandfather would say to himself, I wish I could find a wise teacher for these children. I like to have someone who will help me to bring them up a good princess and teach them the right values of life. So sometimes the boys were very naughty, and they were troubling them, and it was not easy to control them. So the grandfather would say to himself, I wish I could find a teacher to the children. I would like to have someone who could help me to bring up the good prince, so prince would be made good and teach them the values of life, right values of life. So one day the boys went to the forest nearby to play. They had great fun throwing the balls high up in the air and trying to catch it as it came down. Suddenly, because of a bad throw by one of them, the ball fell into a deep well. None, what shall we do? Some of the boys asked helplessly. The ball is lost, and we have no other ball to play with. Little Arjuna, who was looking around, suddenly cried, There is Brahman sitting near that tree over there. Perhaps he may be able to help us. So one day when the boy went to the forest to play, they were having a great fun by throwing the boy high up in the air, and they were trying to catch when the ball was coming. Suddenly, because of a bad throw by one of the boys, the ball went to the deep well. No. So boy was saying, what now, what we will do? Nobody was helping them. The boy is So they told the ball is lost and we don't have any other ball to play with it. So the boys were saying to little Arjuna. So Arjuna was looking around, suddenly cried. So he said, there is a Brahman sitting near the tree over there. Perhaps, he said, a Brahman is there sitting over the tree. He may able to help us. He can help us. Who is saying? Arjuna to the boys. So that's all. Before closing the video, I would like to give you homework. Your homework will be, you will draw this picture in your literature copy. Okay, that's all.